What is up, y'all? Welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. So if you want to see me install this MegaLook wig, continue to watch the video. I personally wear my wigs glueless, so yeah, me and glue do not get along. So I wear my wigs glueless, and this is what I use to hold my wig down. Plus I change my wigs out probably every other week, so I don't glue my wigs down. To each his own, whatever your preference is. This wig is supposed to be 180 density. It does not feel like 180 density. It's more on the thinner side, but you know, hey, for the price, I mean, what you expect. So yeah, I will list everything in the description box below. So if you have any questions, make sure you comment down below. From MegaLook, I will have the receipt right here on the screen, but we're gonna start with the 24-inch 4x4 closure wig. This is how it came. Came like this. That's how it came. 4x4 closure. It came with a band and it came with clips as well. Get a closer look at these knots. Yeah, I can see those knots or whatever. Or whatever. So this is how this came. Boom. And then it came with a 12-inch water wave, which I have all the names and stuff on the screen, and I have the direct link in my bio. Okay, so this. (13x4) frontal. It came with combs, band. This is how the knots look. So this is the curl. All right. It did give you a wig bag as well, as you can see, MegaLook. And it comes with a little bag. So let's open the bag up, y'all. Come with a hairpin. That's cute. Come with an edge brush. It comes with some eyelashes. Yeah. See 'em? I'll go like this. That's how the lashes look. It came with a band. Oops. Oh, it come with one of them good ones. The one, yeah. So it definitely come with a band as well. And it come with 2 caps.
Talk street art, sarcasm, crash humor in high fashion. Peach color moon glistens, the plot thickens as we laugh off of shotguns and tongue kisses. Bubble bath, chick for daring, would you rather? A cold flame, the thrill of no shame. Drug, sex, and Polaroid, pick a star in the sky, we could both say goodbye all night. I wish I could pay I'm swimming in that sea of baptism. Peach colored skies reveal a sunrise, and two lost angels discover salvation. Don't you wish we could run away now? Yes, yes. Drugs, sex, and Polaroid. Pick a star in the sky, we could both say goodbye all night. I wish I could be alone with love. These moments in my coffee in the morning, coffee in the morning. But I don't wanna wake you, I just wanna watch you sleep alright. It's the smell of your hair, and it's the way that we fit. I never felt comfortable. Oh no. Talk street art, sarcasm, crass humor in high fashion. Peach color moon glistens, the plot thickens as we laugh off of shotguns and tongue kisses. Bubble bath, truth or dare, and would you rather? A cold flame, the thrill of no shame. Drugs, sex, and Polaroid. Pick a star in the sky, we could both say goodbye all night. I wish I could be your love. These moments in my coffee in the morning, coffee in the morning. I don't wanna wake you, I just wanna watch you sleep. It's the smell of your hair, and it's the way that we fit. I never felt comfortable like this. Old souls have found a new religion. Now I'm swimming in that sea of baptism. Peach colored skies reveal a sunrise, and two lost angels discover salvation. Don't you wish we could run away now? Yes, yes. Drugs, sex, and Polaroid. Pick a star in the sky, we could both say goodbye all night. I wish I could be alone with love. These moments in my coffee in the morning, coffee in the morning. But I don't wanna wake you, I just wanna watch you sleep alright. Street talk, street art, sarcasm. Crass humor in high fashion. Peach color moon glistens, the plot thickens as we laugh off of shotguns and tongue kisses. Bubble bath, you for daring, would you rather? A cold flame, the thrill of no shame. Drug, sex, and Polaroid. Pick a star in the sky, we could both say goodbye all night. I wish I could paint our love, these moments in vibrant. You are right, surgery, gotta play, surgery, pillow talk, surgery, sweet dreams, coffee in the morning, coffee in the morning. I don't wanna wake you, I just wanna watch you sleep. It's the smell of your hair, and it's the way that we fit. I never felt comfortable like this. Old souls have found a new religion. Now I'm swimming in that sea of baptism. Peach colored skies reveal a sunrise, and two lost angels discover salvation. Don't you wish we could run away now? Yes, yes. Drug, sex, and Polaroid. Pick a star in the sky, we could both say goodbye all night. I wish I could paint these moments in vibrant. You were right, surgery, gotta play, surgery, pillow talk, surgery, sweet dreams. Coffee in the morning, coffee in the morning. I don't wanna wake you, I just wanna watch you sleep alright. It's the smell of your hair, and it's the way that we fit. I never felt comfortable. Oh no.
We'll just show y'all something real quick. This is the wig. I just left them coming out. Period. But I was like, this ain't no damn 22 inches. You see that? This 24 inches. I mean, this 26 inches. So you get your length. I'm 5'11". Big body beings. Please don't crash. And this all the way down to here. See what I'm saying? It's almost 30 inches. Almost. So, just let you know what the hair is. You see it? Oh, okay.